number 10, skip the first stitch, and now we have 2, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1, and now yarn at the back. Let's knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn at the back, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and our last stitch, the edge stitch, as a knit. Here we have row number 10. Turn to our row number 11, and now our row number 11, number 12, number 13, and number 14, we may do the stitches exactly as they are. Where you have knit, you will knit, and where you have purl, you will purl. And I will meet you at the row number 15. Number 15, let's do the same we did at row number 7, closing 5 stitches together. Let's do it. Skip the first stitch, and now 5 stitches together as we did before. I'll do it with my crochet hook, it's easier for me. The yarn in back, like so. 3, 4, and 5, and my yarn through all the stitches. I put the stitch on my needle and now let's purl 2, 1, 2, 1 knit, purl 2, and again let's do the same we did here, 5 stitches together. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, and our edge stitches has a knit. Row number 16, let's skip the first one. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn to the front, purl 1, knit 2, yarn to the back, 1, 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1, and knit the last one. Okay, row number 16. And then you will start all again from row number 1 till row number 16. It's a repeat sequence. I hope you had enjoyed to learn this stitch and you can do beautiful stuffs with it. Thank you so much for being here and see you at the next time.